5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Base jump Moab! Let's go to Moab.
About 6 months ago, we passed through Moab and were inspired to one day return in search of more epic adventures and stunning beauty. This is the story of that trip. Unfortunately, the 450 needs a little bit of bike work, but we do have the 110 going. The plan was to send a massive rope swing and tandem base jump off a cliff.
Welcome to Utah.
Not good.
I think we'll make it. It's about that time. We made it to Moab. Woo!
We are going to jump off of a cliff with a rope.
You think now?
Like that's a big bitch.
Wow, that's so big.
Looking good there.
Oh yeah, dude.
How you feeling?
Noggin.
3, 2, 1. What'd you think?
Post rope swing send. How we feeling?
Feeling pretty good. Yeah, it was awesome.
Cup of Joe in the morning. That sounds actually pretty good.
Cheers.
What you making there?
Eggs.
You like eggs? Breakfast with the view. access right here. Moab, May 2025. 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Because we can edit that part out.
We can edit this
So
part out.
you
Okay.
go ahead, record.
Go.
She's recording.
That was actually pretty good.
After breakfast, ripping the pit bike, and taking a dip in the Colorado, it was time to find a place to camp for the night.
The man in action.
Alright, is this the camp spot
First
for the
of
night?
all, grab a beer and then follow me to the Oasis. Alright, so day one in Moab is complete. We jumped off a very tall rope swing, not sure how tall it was. It was awesome. Blake threw a backflip, I threw a front flip. Tomorrow, we're gonna go do a base jump, and it is going to be even more epic.
Allie, you're jumping tomorrow, right? Convinced you to do a base jump?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, yes, but no, I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I don't like heights. It's my first time ever doing it, so we'll see how it goes. But once I'm tied in, and we're just gonna send it. No, I'm actually like kind of excited. Like
Yeah,
on the
next to the
edge, I'm gonna
cliff.
be like, oh fucking shit.
Let's cheers to trust. You ready for the countdown?
I'm ready.
Y'all, we'll see you soon. Join me, Blake. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Base jump, Moab, baby! Yeah! Somebody hook it like this. Yeah! And just cruise the wall. Check that out. Yeah! Woo-hoo! That is awesome! What do you think? Badass! Right? It's fun! Yeah, oh boy! Was that not badass or
How do you feel about doing a tandem base today?
Great.
Are you scared at all?
No, not at all.
You're saying you're not scared. Insert clip of you on edge.
Yeah, here we are with Allie. Ha-ha! I heard you're afraid of heights.
Yeah.
You are, and today
Yeah.
you're challenging yourself.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, are you ready to go to the edge?
Yeah.
You got a smile?
Yeah.
I can feel your heart beating.
Yeah.
Here we go, here we go. So we're gonna go nice one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to jump. So, so now left foot out. There you go, big smile. How you feeling?
We're gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
We're gonna do it.
You got a smile?
We're gonna do it.
What do you want
Ready?
to say before we jump?
Let's fucking go!
Let's fucking go, Allie. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Base jump. Check this out. Cruising. Just excellent. How sweet is that? ever. Nice. Congratulations. So what we're gonna do is we're returning to landing. I just want you to lift those feet nice and high. Yeah, just like that. You'll get them straight out in front of you. Are you ready for the landing? Yeah, here we come in. More landing, yeah! Feet up nice and high. How sweet is that? Come on out. We did it. Yeah. Was that bad?
Oh my god, that was insane.
Hell yeah, guys. That's how you do the base jump Moab.
Holy shit.
Would you recommend that to people at home?
Yes.
Heck yeah, be brave. Go jump like Allie. And we will see you guys next time.